It's my birthday today, and this is my first time video. This is my first video actually. And we're not in the same spot right now. Nasa kabila.
Oras na ba?
I don't know what I'm going to say. I don't know what I'm going to say now. Like, seriously. It's my birthday. I got sugar. And I'm a kid. I'm 8 years old now. I'm not 7 years old. And I like my girl. I'm still small. My mom said I'm still small. Oh, honey. See me in part 2, I guess. I don't know what I'm going to say. And in part 3, you will see my dress is gone.
Ano ko mainit. Gising din siya kasi nakita niya yung nakatikit din sa building.
It's so shiny. So see me in part 3. Bye. Just kidding.
Oo. Anak sa may pinto dadaan si daddy. So, yung mga sinanta sa'yo na parang gusto pati yung mga product parang gusto kong itry yung maliit lang muna, maliit na box.
Mouth. Her real name is Jess.
Try kaya
Jessica Soho. Just kidding. Her name is not Jessica Soho. Her name is Jessica Soho. Like Jessica Soho.
Tapos ang benta ko rin yan. Pero gusto ko rin yan gamitin. Wait lang sa order lang ako ng cake.
Stop. Tira. Watashi wa Just kidding, I'm not gonna do it. My name in Roblox is Mikandiana.
Ano yan?
Sorry, I changed my name. You forgot it. I don't know how to change my name in Roblox. Like.
Sumahod ka na.
What is this?
Yung lotion na lang yung di mo pa nahanap.
What is this? What?
Ano ba yan? Mabalik-balik naman tayo, babe. Mamaya nakakain na tayo.
It's nothing. Maybe it's a lipstick.
Akyat, baba.
Because I use lipstick.
Baba.
Bye.